Welcome to the definitive guide for the top 5 instant approval business credit cards in 2026 that offer a soft pull only application process. As an entrepreneur or a small business owner, your credit score is one of your most valuable assets, and protecting it from unnecessary hard inquiries is essential for your long-term financial health. In 2026, the banking industry has become much more sophisticated, with many lenders moving away from traditional credit checks and toward real-time data analysis, which is fantastic news for anyone looking to secure funding without the sting of a hard pull. A hard inquiry can stay on your credit report for up to 2 years and might lower your score by several points, which can make it harder to get a mortgage or a car loan later on. By focusing on soft pull cards, you can explore your options and see exactly what limits you qualify for before you ever commit to a formal application. This is particularly important for limited liability companies and sole proprietorships that are in a high growth phase and need to apply for multiple lines of credit simultaneously. Our first card on the list for 2026 is the Ramp Business Card, which has completely revolutionized the corporate credit space by offering a truly zero credit check experience. Ramp does not look at your personal credit score at all, and they do not require a personal guarantee, which means your personal assets are never at risk if the business faces challenges. Instead of a credit score, Ramp connects directly to your business bank accounts to analyze your cash flow and revenue patterns in real time. To qualify for Ramp in 2026, you generally need at least $25,000 in your business bank account and a registered entity like an LLC or a corporation. The rewards are straightforward and powerful, offering an unlimited 1.5% cash back on every single purchase, without any categories to track or caps to worry about. What makes Ramp stand out even more is its integrated expense management software, which automatically tracks receipts and flags wasteful spending, which can save a business thousands of dollars in hidden costs every year. For a business owner who wants a high-limit card with zero impact on their personal credit report, Ramp is arguably the strongest contender on the market today. Moving to our second spot, we have the BRICS Business Card, which continues to be a favorite for startups and technology-focused companies in 2026. Similar to Ramp, BRICS offers a soft pull-only application process that relies on your business data rather than your personal FICO score. One of the most interesting developments in 2026 is the integration of BRICS into the Capital One ecosystem following their high-profile acquisition, which has made the card even more accessible to a wider range of industries. BRICS is known for its incredible rewards structure, which can offer up to 7 times points on rideshare and travel, and 4 times points on software subscriptions, which are the backbone of most modern businesses. To get approved for BRICS without a personal guarantee, you will typically need a strong cash position or consistent monthly revenue, but once you are in the ecosystem, the credit limits can be up to 20 times higher than what traditional banks offer. That application process is entirely digital and often results in an instant approval with a virtual card issued to your Apple Wallet or Google Pay within seconds of being accepted. This speed and flexibility make BRICS an essential tool for any looking to scale quickly without the traditional banking headaches. Our third recommendation takes a slightly different approach, and that is the American Express Business Suite, specifically the Blue Business Plus and the Business Gold cards. While American Express is a traditional bank, they have perfected the soft pull approval process for 2026, especially for individuals who already have a personal card with them. If you are an existing American Express customer, they will almost always use a soft pull to determine your eligibility for a new business card, which allows you to see your approval status and your credit limit without any impact on your score. The Blue Business Plus is a fan favorite for sole proprietors because it has no annual fee and offers 2 times membership rewards points on every purchase up to $50,000 per year. For larger looks, the Business Gold Card is the way to go because it automatically calculates your top 2 spending categories and gives you 4 times points on those areas, which is perfect for businesses with fluctuating expenses. This soft pull feature gives you the confidence to apply knowing that your credit is safe, and it allows you to build a powerful relationship with one of the most prestigious financial institutions in the world. Fourth on our list is the Capital Untap Business Credit Card, which has seen massive growth in 2026 due to its incredibly fast and friendly approval process. Capital Untap is specifically designed for small businesses, and they offer a quote process that uses a soft pull to show you exactly how much credit they can offer and what your interest rate will be before you finalize the application. This transparency is a breath of fresh air in the industry because it removes the guesswork from the application process. The card offers a flat 1.5% cash back and has no annual fee for most users, which makes it a very low-cost way to manage your business capital. In 2026, they have also introduced specialized features for sole proprietors that allow them to use their personal credit history as a strength during the soft pull phase to secure higher limits without a hard inquiry appearing on their report. If you need a card that acts as a reliable backup for inventory or unexpected expenses, Capital Untap is a reliable and fast option that respects your credit score. Rounding out our top 5 is the Build Business Card, formerly known as DB, which has become a powerhouse in the credit and spend management space for 2026. Bill uses a soft pull for the initial application to determine your business creditworthiness, and they are known for being very inclusive of businesses with diverse financial backgrounds. Whether you are a brand new look or a seasoned sole proprietorship, Bill provides a platform where you can set individual spending limits for your employees and track every dollar in real time. Their rewards program is flexible and allows you to earn higher multipliers if you choose to pay your balance more frequently, such as weekly or bi-weekly, which is a great way to maximize your return on spend. The Bill Card is especially useful for businesses that have a lot of recurring software subscriptions or digital marketing costs because the software can automatically categorize the expenses for your accountant. By using a soft pull, Bill allows you to see if you qualify for their advanced financial tools without any risk, making it a smart first step for any business looking to professionalize their finances. As we look at these 5 options in 2026, it is important to remember that while the initial check is a soft pull, some issuers might perform a hard pull after you